Hi, my name is Callie Irvin. I was born in Mount Pleasant, Texas. It's like an hour and a half from Texarkana, so about 6 hours from here. I reside currently in Memphis, in the grad program. Uh, a little bit about my family. So my parents are divorced. Um, my mom lives in Dallas. My dad lives in Mount Vernon, which is like 15 minutes from where I was born. They're both remarried. I have three brothers and one stepsister, one stepbrother, and then a sister. So we have a really big family. Um, I have a dog that's mine named Zeke. He's a German Shepherd. I love him. He's like my whole life. So yeah, that's a little bit about that. What I hope to learn from this course is how to apply technology into a PE class because it's kind of hard just because the main purpose of PE is to get people moving and not just like watching something on TV. So, or on like a screen. So, it'll be really interesting to see how I can apply all the different technology that there is today to a PE classroom. My PE experience. So, high school, I wasn't in PE because I played varsity sports for softball and volleyball. That's why I'm here, is because I played softball here. So I stayed after I graduated from undergrad. So PE in high school I really didn't experience because I didn't have to, like I said. Um, Elementary I can remember very in detail. Like I really loved it. Like I always wanted to go to PE. Like one of the biggest things I always would want to do is climb the rope, which I could never do. But I don't even know if that's a thing anymore. But I could never climb the rope, and I get so mad because I wasn't a part of the monkey club. Middle school, I just felt it was a lot of dodgeball and a lot of invasion games. I don't really feel like it was sport. Like I didn't really learn a lot about different sports. It was more just little games just to keep us occupied and all that, just to keep us moving a little bit. But it wasn't like a great PE experience. I think it was just enough to get by. My teachers were coaches, so that was their main priority. They didn't really care about our learning. Um, so yeah, that answered all my questions. I'm sorry I look like crap. Yeah, so nice to meet y'all. Um, I hope we all do well.